Today, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can easily deploy and implement contact form in your WordPress using Gravity Forms. Okay, let's install Gravity Forms. Go to plugin. So here we can see the installed plugin, and I haven't installed anything yet. Let's add new, upload plugin. And this is the latest that we downloaded. Install, activate plugin. Okay, so now that we have installed it, as you can see, we need to register this copy. So click register. Now, okay, I already have my license. I took it. Of course, I have my own license, so I'm going to just copy paste that, and I already copied it and pasted it here, and then I'll click activate license. Okay, so it's been activated. Of course, I will not show you the license number, but it was been activated. And here we are setting this up. And since most of my clients are from Australia, so let's choose Australian dollar and then click next. Okay, let's say that this website is more on personal business or services. Uh, what we want to create is contact form and subscription, payment. Okay, anti-spam. Of course, do you want to integrate your forms with any of these services? So yes, we would like to integrate it in anti-spam services, uh, payment processor, of course, like PayPal, and probably an email marketing platform, because you can do that with this form. Click next. Uh, let's just click no thanks. Then create your first form. Okay. So this is the template that we can start on. As you can see, there are several uh, templates that are available already here. Uh, Let me show you first what the simple contact form. Okay, so use this template, or probably you can preview that first. Okay, so this is the simple contact form. All right, so you can use this template. Let's say contact form, contact us. Use this template. Okay, so we have the first name, last name, email, and actually we don't need to confirm this email. So what we want to do, uh, we just unclick this one. Okay, and that's it. Then comments. Instead of comments, let's put here. Uh, let's put her message, and then let's not. And then let's uh, take this out for the maximum characters. Okay, then click save. Okay, so you can preview it. This is how it looks like. So let's say we want to put this in a page. Okay, so let's set up a sample page. Add a new page. Contact us. Then let's click use DV builder. For the purpose of this example, let's just start from scratch. So here we see the area. This is the footer that we created earlier. So let's create a two-column area for this one. And here, let's put the or here, let's put the text because that is where we are going to embed the contact form. So let's close this preview. Let's close that. So here, as you can see, there's a button embed. Click that embed button. Since we haven't set up the page yet, so let's just use the short code. Okay, so here you can use the short code. Copy. Okay, then here let's change this and put the shortcode. We do not want to put a title here so that we can customize it from the div itself and not from the form. Okay, false. Let's just uh, use false. Okay. Okay. It should appear when we save this. Save draft, and let's publish it. Let's publish the page. Okay, so let's see. It's already saved and published. Let's exit the builder, and here you can see the the form builder. So this is the basic. Okay, uh, let's check the settings here. Let's take out the description instead so that it will not appear here. Save form. Okay, then let's exit this one. Okay, see the contact form, contact us form here. The word has been taken out. Okay, so as you can see, this is very basic, and let's say we want to edit this button. Let's see what we can do with that. So let's go back to edit. Okay, in the button, this is very limited. Uh, the only thing that you can do here is fill the container or put it at the end, something like that, at the end of the last row or at the end of the form. So that's very limited. However, that's why one of the things that I said earlier, it's nearly impossible for us not to use custom codes. So in this particular example, we will be needing to use custom code so that we can customize the button later. Okay, I will teach you how to do that later. But for now, what we want to achieve is to demonstrate how are we going to use this. Okay.